Hello everyone, welcome to NewGen Education app. In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how institutes can use the event planner feature to organize or conduct various activities or events. So let's get into the video. So under the activities or events menu, the first one is the activities or events planner where you can conduct or organize various activities or events like sports events, cultural events, special coaching classes or any club events as well. Next up is Enroll status tracking, wherein you can track the status of the student's enrollment. Moving further, now I'm going to cover the activities or events journey. So basically we have four different login: admin, educator, the parent, and the student login. So I'll cover the journey of each login one by one. So the first one is the educators or the admin's journey. Educator or admin login, they can organize various activities or events. They can enroll the students and shortlist the participants. Next, if the event is a competitive event, then you can declare the results for the event and you can track the enrollment status of the students. So let's move to the application. Coming to the application, these are the login credentials of an admin. Click on sign in to log into the application. Now we're going to see how you can organize various events or activities required for your institute. So to do that, go to the menu, click on activities or events, click on activities or events planner. So here you can organize various activities or events required for your institute like sports events, any cultural events, any club events or any special coaching classes as well. So to do that, click on create activities or events planner. A pop-up screen appears wherein you can fill all the necessary details. Enter the name of the activity, for example 100-meter running competition. You can select the activity type. So there are four types. One is going to be the sports event, any cultural event, club event, special coaching classes. So I'll click on sports event. So here you can select the assignee group. Assignee group is nothing but it comprises of a set of classes or set of students clubbed under a group. So you can select it. Here there are two options. Either you can select all the students in the institute or you can select a particular group. So I'll go with all the students in the institute and then click on continue. So if there is any fee which you have configured for this particular event, then you can enter the fee here. This is completely optional only. Then click on continue. Here you can enter the activity or event information like event date, when the event is going to be conducted. So the particular event is on Saturday. Now if you want to enter the participation due date, so when the students are supposed to participate, you can enter it here. So I'll give it as today, and then you can select the activity level. So there are various levels. You can see state, district, international, internal, and all that. You can enter it here. So since it's a state competition, I'll go with state level. So next, you need to enter the venue, the place where the activity is going to be conducted. So sports ground. If you want, you can enter the maximum enrollment limit, the maximum participants limit here. So I'll enter it. Next, if you want to enter any instructions given to the parents or students, you can enter it here. Now, if you want parent enrollment for the particular activity, then you can click on this so that parent can enroll their students from their own login. And next is whether it is a competitive activity or event. So you can click on competition event and then click on continue. Now, if you want to upload any images related to the event, you can upload it here. So to upload that, click on add event image or video. So here you can either upload images or videos related to the events. You can drag or drop the files or you can click on the browse button and attach the image. So once your image is done, you can click on submit. Multiple images or videos can be attached. And then you can click on continue. If you have notification subscription limit, then you can enter these checkboxes, click on these checkboxes so that notification regarding the activity or events will be sent to the parents automatically. And then click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. and then you can click on submit. And your activity has been organized and created successfully. So once you're done with the activities or events planning, this is how the screen is going to look like. In order to organize or conduct various activities or events, you can click on new at the right corner of the screen. In order to view the activities or events for a particular activity type in the assignee group, click on View Activities or Events button at the bottom of the record. Now you can view the particular activity wherein you can see the activity name, the venue, the event date, and the participation due date. In order to perform various actions, you can click on Quick Actions icon here, wherein you can view, edit, delete the particular record. Next, in order to enroll the students, click on Enroll Students. So here you can enroll the students for a particular activity. So to do that, you can just click on the checkbox under the name of the student to enroll those particular students. So once you're done, click on Save Change. So after enrolling the student, the next comes the participants shortlisting. So click on Shortlist Participants, wherein you can shortlist the participants by clicking on the checkbox Participation under the name of the student. So I just want 2 students to participate. So I click on those particular checkbox and then click on Save. And your students have been shortlisted successfully. So once you're done with enrolling the students and shortlisting the participants, next is the result declaration. So click on result declaration to declare the results of the activity or event occurred. So you can see the student names. So to declare the results, click on the edit icon here and then you can select the results. So you can just choose the values based on your requirements here. If you want, you can even enter comments on the results. Once you're done, click on submit. So once you're done declaring the results, click on Save Changes and your result has been declared successfully. And finally, you can even view the event gallery of the particular event. And the next is Enroll Status Tracking. So click on this. So here you can search a student's extracurricular activity by mentioning the class. Just need to mention the class and click on the search button, wherein you can track the status of the activities of students studying in that particular class. You can view the name of the student, event information, enrollment details. Now I'm going to cover the student or the parent's journey. Student or parent login. They can view the applicable events or activities. Only if the parent enrollment is required, parent can enroll their ward in any activity or event. If the event is a competitive event, they can view the results of that particular event. So let's move to the application. Coming to the application, these are the login credentials of a parent. Click on sign in to log into the application. Now we're going to see how parent or student can view the extracurricular activities applicable. So to do that, go to the menu, click on academic, and then click on extracurricular activity. So here parents can view the extracurricular activities applicable as well as students can also view that from their own login, wherein they can view the event information, the enrollment details. They can even view the event gallery by clicking on the View Event Gallery button here. So here you can even view the participation status. So the red one indicates that the student is not enrolled and participated, and the green one indicates that the particular student has enrolled and participated. So the parent can also enroll their ward by clicking on the enroll button here. So yeah, that was all about activities or event planner, how institutes can use this particular feature to organize and schedule various activities or events. Thank you.